Greetings everyone, and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're delving into the details of the upcoming DAAD Scholarship for 2024, alongside an exploration of its comprehensive application process. The DAAD Scholarship for the academic year 2024-2025 presents an excellent fully funded opportunity tailored for international students. It extends its support towards pursuing master's or PhD studies at esteemed German universities. Successful recipients of the DAAD Scholarship can expect substantial financial aid, including monthly stipends of €934 for master's students and €1,200 for those engaged in doctoral studies. DAAD Scholarship 2024 Summary. The DAAD offers an array of educational opportunities at both the master's and doctoral PhD levels in Germany. Covering a wide spectrum of fields, these programs encompass disciplines such as economics and law, agricultural and forest sciences, art and design, engineering and natural sciences, humanities and social sciences, language and cultural studies, mathematics and natural sciences, and medicine and health sciences. Should you seek further details, the comprehensive list of available postgraduate courses is readily accessible for your reference. Program duration. The duration of the program spans between 12 and 36 months, contingent on the specific length of the selected study program. DAAD Scholarship Application Deadline. The application deadline for the DAAD Scholarship varies based on the chosen study program. For precise information regarding deadlines, kindly refer to this link. Coverage of the DAAD Scholarship. The DAAD Scholarship for the year 2024, catering to both master's and PhD programs in Germany, furnishes beneficiaries with the ensuing advantages. Monthly stipends of €934 for master's students and €1,200 for those pursuing doctoral studies, commensurate with their academic level. Provision for travel expenses, unless these disbursements are met by the recipient's home nation or alternate funding sources. Allocations for health, accident, and personal liability insurance coverage. A singular allowance intended for study-related expenditures. In specific circumstances, scholarship recipients might be eligible for the following supplementary perks. Monthly assistance for housing rent. Monthly stipend allocated for accompanying family members. Eligibility requirements for the DAAD Scholarship 2024. Applicants aiming to secure the DAAD Scholarship for master's and PhD programs in Germany must fulfill the subsequent prerequisites. Language proficiency. Proficiency in English or German is required. International programs are generally conducted in English, necessitating the submission of an English language certification like TEFL or IELTS. Meanwhile, programs in other languages, including German, might mandate a German language certification like DSH or Test-DAF. Eligible countries. The list of eligible developing countries can be found by clicking here. Educational qualifications. Candidates must possess a bachelor's degree, typically a 4-year course, or a master's degree in a suitable field. Professional experience. Applicants should hold a minimum of 2 years professional experience. Development-oriented motivation. Aspirants must demonstrate a commitment to development-related endeavors, along with an inclination to undertake social responsibilities and facilitate transformative processes in their personal and professional spheres following their training or scholarship. For a detailed list of eligible developing countries and their respective eligibility criteria, please refer to the provided link. Necessary documentation for DAAD Scholarship application. 1. Duly signed DAAD application form, dated appropriately. 2. Personally signed CV, utilizing the provided sample Europass. 3. Personally signed letter of motivation, within 2 pages, at most, referencing your present occupation and your chosen postgraduate programs, also dated accordingly. Note asterisk. If applying for multiple postgraduate courses, up to 3 courses, you should include one motivation letter explaining the rationale behind your selection of these specific courses and your priority. 4. Recommendation letter from your current employer. This letter should display the company's letterhead, a signature, an official seal, and bear the current date, not to be enclosed in a sealed envelope. 5. Certifications of employment from employers, verifying a minimum of 2 years of pertinent work experience, following your bachelor's degree, at the time of application. If possible, include a commitment of re-employment from your present employer upon your return. 6. Validation of language proficiency. English, either IELTS or TEFL. Please note that the institutional TEFL is not accepted. German, required for courses taught in the German language. 7. Copies of your academic degrees, certified translations if necessary. 8. Copies of your academic transcripts, inclusive of grading scales, certified translations if necessary. 9. Applicants hailing from the People's Republic of China are requested to furnish an APS certificate alongside their application documentation. Step-by-step application and selection procedure for DAAD Scholarship. Select courses that match your interests. You can choose up to 3. Apply to universities that provide those courses. Send your complete applications, including the mentioned documents, directly to the universities. A group of committee will recommend potential candidates for a DAAD scholarship. Those suggested candidates will receive a message from DAAD, asking them to upload their full application to the DAAD portal. They'll get an email with the link. The selection process will finish, and the suggested candidates will be told about the outcome. Necessary links are given in video description.